Embark on your journey to success through knowledge and competency. E-learning online course for clinical investigation of medical devices for human subjects. Understanding ISO 14155 for clinical investigations of medical devices. ISO 14155 is an international standard that provides guidelines for the design, conduct, recording, and reporting of clinical investigations involving human subjects to assess the safety and performance of medical devices. It is a crucial reference for manufacturers, investigators, ethics committees, regulatory authorities, and other stakeholders involved in the development and evaluation of medical devices. ISO 14155 covers the following aspects: 1. Clinical investigation planning. 2. Investigational device characteristics. 3. Clinical investigation conduct. 4. Data management and analysis. 5. Reporting and documentation. 6. Ethics and informed consent. 7. Investigator and site requirements. 8. Monitoring and auditing. Key principles of ISO 14155. 1. Risk-based approach. The standard emphasizes a risk-based approach to clinical investigations, focusing on the potential risks and benefits associated with the device. 2. Protection of human subjects. ISO 14155 prioritizes the protection of human subjects participating in clinical investigations. 3. Data quality and integrity. The standard requires accurate, complete, and reliable data collection and management. 4. Transparency and accountability. ISO 14155 promotes transparency and accountability throughout the clinical investigation process. Implementing ISO 14155 offers several benefits. 1. Improved patient safety. By emphasizing a risk-based approach and protecting human subjects, ISO 14155 helps ensure patient safety during clinical investigations. 2. Enhanced data quality. The standard's focus on data quality and integrity leads to more reliable and accurate results. 3. Increased transparency. ISO 14155 promotes transparency throughout the clinical investigation process, fostering trust among stakeholders. 4. Regulatory compliance. Implementing ISO 14155 helps medical device manufacturers comply with regulatory requirements, reducing the risk of non-compliance. 5. Competitive advantage. By demonstrating a commitment to patient safety, data quality, and transparency, medical device manufacturers can gain a competitive advantage in the market. To implement ISO 14155, medical device manufacturers should follow these steps. 1. Gap analysis. Conduct a gap analysis to identify areas where current processes and procedures need to be improved or modified. 2. Develop a quality management system. Establish a quality management system that meets the requirements of ISO 14155. 3. Train personnel. Provide training to personnel involved in clinical investigations on the requirements of ISO 14155. 4. Develop procedures and templates. Develop procedures and templates for clinical investigation planning, conduct, and reporting. 5. Conduct internal audits. Perform internal audits to ensure compliance with ISO 14155 and identify areas for improvement. 6. Obtain certification. Consider obtaining certification from a recognized certification body to demonstrate compliance with ISO 14155. ISO 14155 Auditor Training Course comprises following 7 sessions. Each online session includes video tutorials with expert training, handouts in PDF format, sessions, and final exams. After completing the training, the globally recognized certificate will be issued. Course objectives. Familiarize with ISO 14155 standard. Know the benefits of implementation of this standard and ISO 14155 certification. Know about the ISO 14155 good clinical practice. Understand the documents and records required by ISO 14155. Understand the process of risk management to prevent risk and accidents in clinical investigations of medical devices in human subjects. Know the audit process for ISO 14155:2020 management system. Know about the questioning techniques. Know how to prepare internal audit records, including an audit plan and nonconformity report, NCR. Get a ready-to-use ISO 14155 audit checklist with clause-wise questions to perform an effective audit. These are the dominant features of this online course, which is cost and time efficient, fast and effective, and offers convenient and flexible training that can be accessed from anywhere and anytime. Who should attend this course? Individuals who want to become a certified ISO 14155 internal auditor. Clinical research professionals. Individuals involved in the implementation for clinical investigation of medical devices for human subjects, good clinical practice. Individuals who want to have a basic knowledge of ISO 14155 standard for working in medical device manufacturing companies or any organizations involved in clinical investigation of medical devices for human subjects. Key personnel are responsible for the implementation of good clinical practice within such organizations. Should you have any queries, please feel free to contact us at sales@puniumacademy.com or visit www.puniumacademy.com.